Hey, welcome back. Tonight I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour, the circular kind. The colors I'm using are Artist Loft's metallic cobalt blue and phthalo green, and the other color is Amsterdam's turquoise blue. Hopefully this comes out decent. This is actually the third one out of the four that I have to do for the wife. Hopefully this makes her happy. But I am speeding this up just a little bit just because, honestly, it's just a quick pour. I did already have my white base down before I started the video. All of my paints are mixed 2-to-1 ratio, Floetrol to paint. I did add a little bit of water to the metallic one just because those tend to be thicker paints. So I tried to at least, even it out with a little bit of water. So here we are blowing it out. Obviously, didn't go out as far as I'd like. I'd probably on the next one, I'll do like the original ring that I had, but I might do like a little bit of like another ring, like give it a little bit of the white space and just have another one kind of like where one hits the other when you're blowing it out, I guess. That way it kind of goes dark, light, dark in a way. That way, hopefully it comes out better that way. I did do a lot of blowing out the paint off the camera because it is kind of just basic, just blowing it out. I did add a little bit of paint on the outside of the blooms, trying to give a little bit darker mix in with the light where the paint's got stretched out a little bit. Other than that, probably not going to do much else to this painting. I would have liked for it to go further out to the edge, but that'll be for next time. Here is a closer look up of it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Hope y'all have a good night, and thank you for watching. Y'all have a good one. Thanks.